My name is Dolly Parton. I'm a drag performer from the northern suburbs. No. And this is my Cape Town. Dolly Parton is the manifestation of every strong woman in my life. My grandmother, my mother, and that drunk auntie at every wedding. First up, Cat Heaven. I love this place because I love and I love cake. And these are rescue cats, so you feel good about yourself. You know, let me tell you a cat joke. Wat sê die een kat vir die ander kat? Sal jy my muisie wees? The next spot is the meeting place in Stellenbosch. It's a place where you can meet. It's in the name. This place is known for its caramel cheesecake. I know, another cake. And now for the grand finale. Die Boer and Durbanville. It's one of my favorite venues because you can watch a show whilst you eat. It's two of the best things you can do in life. And this is one of the first venues that opened up their doors to me. It's showtime. Ag, dankie julle was 'n amazing gehoor. Dankie. Ek beloof ons is uitverkoop, hoor, hier's net nou niemand nie.